Good morning. Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Making a few minor adjustments for the new jacket. We got Lori Horton here in the studio this morning. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Always got something delicious for us. We've got this here, which I'm already ready to dig into, but we want to know how to make this.
Yeah, and just so everybody knows, I preemptively cracked my eggs now that I know I'm cooking with Chris this morning. I know, I got this down. Fool me once, right?
Oh, man. Yeah,
We're going to start. It is. We're going to start this morning. We've got all of our ingredients listed. Of course, your recipe's online as always. I've got my butter in the bowl. I'm going to add that sugar in there, and we're going to start to cream these together so that we get it really nice and smooth. This is a great thing to use your big stand mixer for if you have one. This little guy will get us about so far.
I got you. I got you. So you need a better mixer than this little dude.
You will have your duty. Some, right tool for the right job.
Exactly.
This will get us going. We're going to cream all that together so that it's really well incorporated. And then we are going to start to add our eggs a little at a time. One at a time if you're cracking them in the bowl. We're just add a little bit and we'll mix it on in. We'll add a little bit, we'll mix it in. I'm just going to go ahead and go for it.
All right.
We're going to add that vanilla and almond, a little bit of both. I wish you guys could smell this in the studio because you can really smell that almond with the cherry. It's awesome. And then a little teaspoon of salt because with everything you always add a little of that. And then we're going to keep mixing. Get this really nice and well incorporated so that those eggs are all mixed in. Making a lot of noise.
That's all right though. I mean, that's what the kitchen is for. So make a little noise.
What it's all about.
I think the more noise, the tastier the food, right?
We'll go with that. We're going to get that incorporated. I'm going to let my little mixer kind of go off here a little bit. We'll go by hand, scrape down our bowl. Then we're going to add that flour. And again, a little bit at a time, unless you really like to clean up your counters. We will add that in. We're going to get this all mixed up. And it's a kind of an in-between dough. It's not super heavy right now. We've got a really wet batter.
Yeah.
We're going to add all that flour in there and stiffen that up. And it's going to just make kind of a pretty standard, like a sugar cookie dough.
Okay.
So I'm going to go to town with that. Once we get that all mixed up, we are going to slowly make a layer in this 10 by 15 sheet pan.
Okay.
And I've got a piece of parchment paper that I'm going to put in the bottom, but we still need to spray the pan. So you can butter this pan and then put your parchment paper in the bottom, but I'm a huge fan of less work. So what I'm going to do is spray the pan, put my parchment on top, and then I'll lightly spray the parchment.
Okay.
As you guys can see, these are a little messy.
They are just a wee bit messy.
Just a little bit, in the best way possible. But we don't want to have to clean that pan and, scrape off those edges any more than we have to. So that spray and that parchment paper is going to make a huge difference on easy getting them out of the pan, and then a whole lot less work when we go to wash up at the end of the day.
Less work is always great.
That's always my goal. Less dishes, less work. So I'm just going to slowly start to incorporate that flour in a little bit at a time. Even if you're using that big stand mixer, just go easy, a little at a time until you get it really well incorporated. And then I'm going to use that scoop like we love to use, put that out on my pan, and then spread it out a nice even layer. When we come back, we'll have that all set up for you guys.
So make sure you hang around. We'll be here back at 7 o'clock on Fox 14. We'll have more on these delicious treats, and we'll be back with Health Watch right after this.